Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Review Hub 2025, the home for car lovers who crave speed, design, and pure automotive brilliance. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most thrilling performance machines of the year, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT63 S. This car is not just a vehicle, it's an experience. It's the perfect combination of power, luxury, and everyday usability. And Mercedes has taken it to an entirely new level for 2026. So buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. The moment you see the 2026 AMG GT63 S in person, it's hard not to be mesmerized. Mercedes has sharpened its already striking design, giving it a more aggressive yet refined presence. The signature Panamericana grille dominates the front, framed by sleek digital light LED headlights that project precision and elegance. The long, sculpted hood flows seamlessly into a fastback silhouette, perfectly balancing aerodynamics with muscle. At the rear, the updated LED taillights stretch elegantly across the trunk, paired with an active rear spoiler and quad exhaust tips that signal serious performance intent. The whole stance of the GT63 S is low, wide, and purposeful, sitting on bold 21-inch forged AMG wheels that perfectly complement its sporty DNA. Mercedes offers a stunning range of colors for this beast, but the obsidian black metallic and spectral blue magno are showstoppers, especially under showroom lighting. The subtle carbon fiber accents and aerodynamic elements all over the body aren't just for looks, they play a critical role in keeping this car stable at high speeds. Every curve, every vent, every detail has a purpose, and together they create a design that screams both elegance and dominance. Step inside, and the AMG GT63 S wraps you in pure opulence. The interior feels like a high-tech cockpit, blended with handcrafted luxury. The first thing that grabs your attention is the massive MBUX Hyperscreen, stretching across the dashboard. It combines multiple displays into one sweeping glass panel that controls everything from navigation and entertainment to performance settings and climate control. The interface is smooth, intuitive, and responsive, a true digital masterpiece. The AMG performance seats are sculpted to perfection, offering incredible support whether you're carving through corners or cruising down the highway. They're wrapped in premium Nappa leather with contrasting stitching, and you can customize them in multiple color combinations to suit your style. The flat-bottom AMG steering wheel, trimmed in microfiber and carbon fiber, feels fantastic in hand and gives that authentic racing vibe. Every inch of the cabin is meticulously designed, from the turbine-style air vents to the ambient lighting that offers 64 color options, transforming the mood at the touch of a button. The rear seats, though secondary in focus, are surprisingly comfortable for adults, and the trunk offers practical cargo space for a weekend getaway. Mercedes has managed to strike a beautiful balance between performance and luxury practicality. Now let's talk about what really makes the 2026 AMG GT63 S a monster: its performance. Under the hood lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, hand-built by AMG's master engineers. It produces an astonishing 639 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque, launching this luxury coupe from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Power is delivered to all four wheels through the AMG Speed Shift 9-seat automatic transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear changes and relentless acceleration. But this isn't just about brute force. The car features AMG's 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, which dynamically distributes power between the front and rear wheels for maximum traction. The AMG Active Ride Control suspension constantly adapts to road conditions, giving you exceptional comfort when you want it and race-ready stiffness when you need it. The handling is razor-sharp, the steering feedback is precise, and every drive feels connected and confidence-inspiring. Even with all that performance, Mercedes manages to keep things relatively efficient, achieving an average of 18 mpg combined, which isn't bad for a powerhouse of this magnitude. It's the perfect blend of luxury and adrenaline. When it comes to technology and safety, the 2026 AMG GT63 S is loaded to the brim. You get the latest MBUX infotainment system with augmented reality navigation, voice command activation that responds to natural speech, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Burmester 3D surround sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. Safety is another area where Mercedes shines. The car features active distance assist Distronic, active steering assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and pre-safe collision protection. The new 360-degree camera system makes maneuvering easier, and the adaptive cruise control ensures effortless highway drives. It's a car that doesn't just excite, it also protects. For 2026, Mercedes offers the AMG GT63 S in two main trims, the AMG GT63 S 4MATIC Plus and the GT63 SE Performance, the latter being a hybrid variant that pushes performance even further, combining the V8 engine with an electric motor for a mind-blowing 830 horsepower. Pricing starts around $175,000, with the E-Performance version crossing $190,000 depending on customization and packages. Yes, it's a high price, but when you consider the craftsmanship, performance, and technology you're getting, it's worth every penny. In conclusion, the 2026 AMG GT63 S stands as a masterclass in modern automotive engineering. It's not just fast, it's beautifully fast. It's not just luxurious, it's intelligently luxurious. Whether you want a grand tour for long drives or a supercar for the racetrack, this machine can do it all with grace and fury. If you're passionate about cars that blend power, beauty, and innovation, the AMG GT63 S is the ultimate dream car for 2026. Thanks for watching Car Review Hub 2025. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, upcoming model insights, and automotive excitement from around the world. Your support keeps us driving forward. See you in the next video.